pig has a party. Honey, bread, milk, oranges, carrot, banana, corn. Ellen is bread. Come to her house. Welcome, here is so food for you. Big Bear, have some honey. The honey is for you. No, thank you. I don't like honey. I like bread more. Bread is delicious. Mrs. Cow, have some milk. The milk is for you. No, thank you. I don't like milk. I like oranges. Oranges is delicious. Mr. Horse, have some carrot. The carrot is for you. No, thank you. I don't like carrot. I like banana. I like eat banana. Eat banana. Daddy Pig, have some corn. The corn is for you. I like